Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method onto your PandaBuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken back to the homepage, if you wish to add a payment method or top up your wallet within the PandaBuy account, click on your user ID and then click on the wallet option. Now, within the wallet section, you will see the top up option underneath balance. You can either click on this and then enter your preferred top up amount and click on confirm. You will now be required to choose a method based on the country that you have selected. Just click on the drop-down menu and choose whatever payment option is available, and you will be asked to enter the credentials for this payment method. For example, if you chose PayPal, you will be asked to log into your PayPal account through a small pop-up login window. After logging in, you can confirm your payment, and if you wish to use a redeem code, from the wallet menu, click on Coupon, and now you can enter your code within the given box. After entering this code, click on Convert, and now the available coupon will be added within your wallet balance. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your PandaBuy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.